children, I request you to open your textbook page number 22. Today we are going to do one activity from our textbook page number 22. Okay. See, complete the sentences. Gulgul has a Christmas party at home. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences describing the Christmas party. Use the words given in the gift box to complete the sentence. See, here Gulgul has a Christmas party at home. Gulgul is going to celebrate their Christmas party, and see, there is, you can see the pictures there. Christmas tree are there, her friends, Gulgul's friends are there, Christmas father is there, and stars, many things are there, right? You can see, and here you can see a gift box beside, right? What is there? Gift box. In gift box, what is there? Some words are there: Christmas tree, red, Santa, gift, red. By using those words, we have to fill these sentences. This is the activity, filling the blanks by using the words which is given on gift box. Okay, see, first sentence, Gulgul has a dash party at home. What party is there at Gulgul's home? Christmas party, right? So first answer is Christmas. You have to write there Christmas. Okay, next, she has decorated a Christmas dash. See, she has decorated a Christmas, what is there? Christmas tree, right? How she has decorated with stars, balls, ribbon, right? She has decorated a Christmas tree. What is the answer? Second answer, tree. First one, Christmas. Okay, Gulgul has a Christmas party at home. She has decorated a Christmas tree. And next, third one, Gulgul and her friends are wearing dash Santa caps. Gulgul and her friends are wearing dash Santa caps. See what is there? Dash Santa cap. What is the answer? Which color it is? Cap, Santa cap, which color it is? It is red color, right? So we can write the color of caps there. What is that? Red. Okay, red is the answer. Gulgul and her friends are wearing red Santa caps. And next, fourth one, the dash are kept under the tree. What is kept? What are the things kept under the tree? What is there? Gifts is there, right? Gifts are there. So we can write there gifts. Fourth answer, gifts. G-I-F-T-S, gifts. Okay. The gifts are kept under the tree. What is the answer? Gifts. Okay. See, you can see in the picture what is kept under the what is kept under the tree? Gifts are kept under the tree, right? Next, last sentence. The children are standing around dash. Say, children are standing around dash. Who is there? Christmas father is there, right? We can say Santa Claus, right? So we can write there Santa. Children are standing around Santa. S-A-N-T-A, Santa. Okay, these are the answers. First answer, Gulgul has a Christmas party at home. Second one, she has decorated a Christmas tree. And third one, Gulgul and her friends are wearing dash Santa caps. What is red Santa caps? And the gifts are kept under the tree. And last one is the children are standing around Santa. Okay, these answers I will send along with this video, and you have one more activity or homework. You have a homework from your workbook. Okay, page number 10. This is your homework workbook from workbook, page number 10. See what is the activity. Complete the sentences. Which is your favorite season? Make a drawing for that season and then complete the sentences given below. See, there are incompleted sentences are given below. You first what you have to do? You have to draw a drawing. Which is your favorite season? Like how Gulgul has drawn. She has drawn 3 seasons: summer, winter, and monsoon season. If you like winter season, you can draw a picture of winter. Winter season, whatever the things we can draw in winter season, like how she has drawn Gulgul. She has drawn something, na, right? Snowman, Christmas tree, everything she has drawn. Now, what is in your mind if you say about winter? If you think about winter season, what will come in your mind that you can draw there? If you like winter season, or if you like summer season, you can draw bright sun, or like ice cream one. What is your that is according to your idea. Whatever it is, you can draw. And if you like rainy season, you can draw rain, and people are outside with the raincoats and drinking hot tea, right? Those things you can draw there. Okay, whatever it is, that is according to your wish. Whatever you want to draw, you can draw there. Which season you like, you draw the picture of that season and complete these sentences which are given below. See what are those? I like that season the most. Which season you like? If you like summer season, you can write there summer. If you like winter season, you can write winter there. Whatever it is. Next, B. I like to eat dash in dash season. What do you like to eat in your favorite season? For example, if you like summer season, I like to eat ice cream in summer season. Such a way you can write. Okay. Next, I like to drink dash in dash season. For example, I am saying I like summer season. Then I can complete the sentence like this. I like summer season the most, and I like to eat ice cream in summer season. And the third one, I like to drink cold drinks. I like to drink cold drinks in summer season. And fourth one, I like to play dash in summer season. What? For example, summer season very hot now, so I can say I like to play indoor games in summer season. And I don't like to dash in dash season. I don't like to go outside in summer season. Such a way I said my opinion. You can write as your wish. Which season you like, you can write there. And whatever the things you like to eat or drink, or whatever you like to do in each season, you can write. Okay, this is your homework, page number 10. Workbook, page number 10. You have to complete this as homework, and you have to draw this. Okay, and take a photo and send to me. This is your homework. And of course, you have to complete this activity in your textbook. Already I have told the answers, and I will send answers along with this video. Okay.